Hello and welcome. My name is Matt Blank and I'm a full stack software engineer. Today I'd like to walk you through a web application I built called Spot That Tune. As an overview, Spot That Tune is a game that plays a lot like Name That Tune. Players hear a mystery song and compete to correctly guess its name. However, where other Name That Tune games run into issues sourcing and integrating copyrighted music material, Spot That Tune is powered directly by Spotify's web API, as well as Spotify's web playback SDK. It's registered with Spotify for developers, and in order to play, users are redirected to Spotify for login. In doing so, they obtain OAuth 2.0 credentials that grant Spot That Tune's web playback client access to Spotify's massive music catalog. As a bit more background before we jump in, I designed and built the front-end web client for Spot That Tune using JavaScript and React, as well as CSS and HTML. I built its RESTful backend API using Ruby on Rails and integrated a PostgreSQL database to house user data and metadata to retrieve assets from Spotify. So without further ado, let's play. First, we'll log in using a Spotify account. I'm already logged in here, so I'll just hit agree. Once we're redirected back to the game, we'll pick a playlist and add 2 or more players. Let's start with the playlist. During the game, players will hear songs chosen at random from whichever playlist we pick here. We can choose from several pre-selected playlists like 2000s hip hop or rock classics, or search Spotify for any public playlist we feel. And we do have the option to change that selection before the game actually begins. So we'll choose Emo Forever because we have impeccable taste in music. Next, we'll add at least 2 players. Note that any one Spotify account will typically have many player names associated with it. I'm going to add Matt, that's me, my roommate, Danny, my mom, and my best friend, Beyonce. And let's say someone needs to leave for whatever reason, we can remove a player before the game begins. Once we've chosen our playlist and added our players, the game can begin. Each round, a new song plays, and players can buzz in to guess its name. Looks like Beyonce buzzed in. Now she'll provide a guess by searching Spotify for the song she thinks she's hearing. Looks like she was incorrect. Better luck next time, Queen Bee. We'll resume the music and give the other players a chance to guess. Players can also choose to pass. And once again, we can resume the music. If a player guesses correctly, they're awarded 1 point. We continue on to the next round, and the first player to earn 6 points wins the game. In addition to points, correctly guessing a song will earn players a commemorative token featuring details about that song. These tokens persist after the game is finished. They're stored in a relational PostgreSQL database with references to the appropriate player, game, and song. On a player's card, you can see the tokens they've earned during the current game, as well as those they've earned during previous games below the dotted line. At any point during gameplay, we can click a token to bring up more details. In this view, we can browse through all the tokens that a player has ever earned one by one. Clicking any token's album artwork directs us to that song on Spotify. And when we're done, we can simply return to the game and pick up where we left off. I hope you enjoyed this demo of my Spot That Tune application. Thank you for taking the time to check out this video, and have a great day.